The 2025 Isuzu Trooper is a name that resonates with SUV enthusiasts worldwide.
Originally launched in 1981, it carved a niche as a durable and capable off-roader. Over the years, the Trooper evolved through two generations, adapting to changing markets and customer needs while maintaining its rugged charm. The first generation, produced until 1991, featured a boxy design, solid axles, and impressive ground clearance, making it a favorite among adventurers and off-road enthusiasts.
Powered by a range of gasoline and diesel engines, it offered practicality and reliability. The second generation, introduced in 1992, brought significant upgrades in design, comfort, and performance.
This version was more refined, with improved suspension systems, better interiors, and advanced features for its time. Isuzu also introduced more powerful engine options, including a 3.2-liter V6 and a 3.1-liter turbo diesel, catering to a broader audience. The Trooper's off-road capabilities remained intact, thanks to its robust 4WD system, while its on-road manners improved, making it a versatile choice for families and adventurers alike. However, by the early 2000s, competition in the SUV market intensified, and despite updates and enhancements, Isuzu decided to discontinue the Trooper in 2002. Despite its discontinuation, the Isuzu Trooper has maintained a loyal fanbase. Its reputation for reliability, off-road prowess, and simplicity has kept it alive in the hearts of enthusiasts. Many Troopers are still on the road today, with owners customizing them for overlanding, trail exploration, and daily driving.
The vehicle's boxy, utilitarian design has also gained a nostalgic charm, making it a classic among vintage SUV collectors.
In recent years, there have been calls for Isuzu to revive the Trooper nameplate, especially with the growing popularity of rugged, adventure-focused SUVs. While Isuzu has shifted its focus primarily to commercial vehicles and pickups, the legacy of the Trooper remains strong. Fans continue to share their restoration projects, adventures, and memories of this iconic SUV on social media and automotive forums, keeping its spirit alive. The Trooper's blend of durability, capability, and simplicity serves as a reminder of what SUVs once stood for: a reliable companion ready to tackle any terrain or challenge.